Hi, this is Attorney Mike Grevlin coming to you from Chicago as usual, and today we're going to look at the soft sits again, of course, and a little something we're calling soft sits number 7. Let's do it. Well, this is exciting. We're going to go on our first little international adventure here. This video is from all the way across the pond in the UK. And by the way, I know you're on here from the UK. I see in the comments you drop a bloke or a mate in my comments. You're from the UK or Australia or maybe even a Kiwi. But also you Canadians, I'm on to you. I see you in there. I can smell that maple syrup a mile away. Let's do this thing.
Sit on the left, yeah. Hello, am I entering into this room today with my inalienable human rights? Can you remember me? No, it's not a courtroom because it's not a court of law because it's not a court of record, is it? We discussed this last time I was here, didn't we?
Oh boy. Yes, we discussed this last time you were here and you're still wrong about it.
Come into court and be quiet or you wait outside.
So I come into court, don't have my human rights upheld, so you're telling me I'm entering into this room today without any human rights? Is that what you're telling me in here?
Well, this is affirming. Now at least I know that the United States does not have a monopoly on stupid.
You're not saying anything to me, so I'm entering into this room today with my human rights. Thank you very much. Come on, my lady.
No, she can't come into court.
Yes, she can, because she is my witness to what you are trying to do to me today. She is my witness, and I have a child. I don't have any other option. I apologise. I don't have a child. I don't have any other option but to bring my child with me because I can't afford childcare. I apologise. I'm sorry.
You cannot bring a baby.
The child will be silent. Nobody told me this downstairs.
You cannot bring a baby into the courtroom. Now, can you please come into the courtroom and listen?
I won't give you jurisdiction over me today. I am not a fictional character.
Yep, that's the same sovereign citizen stuff. And despite the fact that stupid is still stupid, it's somehow slightly more palatable with a charming British accent.
Security will ask you to leave if you're not going to participate in the case.
And then what will happen? You'll do it without me here in my absence? No, so I won't allow you to do that in my absence. I'm sorry.
Yep, that's what happens when you don't show up to court. You get tried in absentia and you usually get convicted that way.
Come in,
I want to come in with my human rights, buddy. I'm entitled to human rights, yeah? I need people like you to stand by me and say we've got human rights because these people are taking away our human rights today.
Arthur, keep quiet while we deal with the case or you'll be asked to leave.
So I keep quiet, that means I'm not allowed to put my opinion forward and not have the human rights, mate. And I'm not allowed to bring my witness in, so they're trying to get me to go in here without a witness so they can do what they want to do without me having it. Do you have your oath with you today, by the way? Sorry, I forgot to ask, have you got your oath with you today? You know, the one that you took to uphold?
Answer any of your questions.
You know what would move this hearing along quite nicely? A cranky spot-on judge from Kentucky.
And now, there's a simple way for me to prove jurisdiction to you, and that would be for me to ask the deputy to take you into custody.
I can't, no, because you're going to, no, because they're going to do, no, because they're going to do my case without me present, which is illegal, and I won't allow them to do. Are you asking me to leave the court, or are you telling me? You're telling me. You're telling me.
You will be forcibly removed.
I will be. So you're going to assault me? Are you going to assault? Are you going to assault me to remove me from this court?
I can forcibly remove.
Yeah, you've asked me to be removed, and I've asked for my oath, and they've abandoned court now. Anyway, they've abandoned court by leaving the back of the room.
Sir,
so when they have abandoned court, that now means I have power of the court. You have assaulted me! Get off me! You've assaulted me! That's assault!
What a drama queen. Get a hold of yourself, man. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, or the dogs get it.
That's assault. After I've been assaulted.
You need to calm down.
After I've been assaulted.
You were
I've been assaulted.
to leave.
Yes, and then I was assaulted when I refused. I was assaulted when I was refused.
I can physically remove
You can physically remove
Can
it.
you
Yeah,
please leave
and
the
the
court?
judge has left the room, so therefore that court is now no longer in practice because they have left the courtroom.
Put down the bong and learn some law, or better yet, hire an attorney.
Therefore, that courtroom is now null and void, and you cannot carry on. If you carry on with my case now in there, this will be treason. Okay? Article 61 of the Magna Carta 1215 is in effect brought into effect by the barons.
Oh, I love this. This is refreshing. This is my first Magna Carta reference, and it's just delicious. Of course, all my prior videos are in the United States, and they're all, you know, referencing the Constitution, which makes sense on that level, but they're referencing it in crazy ways. But here I like the dropping the Magna Carta, which, you know, I'm no Magna Carta scholar, but, you know, the Magna Carta I don't believe is operative law. I believe large portions of it have been codified and brought into the law, but I don't think that's the controlling document of the moment. I don't know. Tell me if I'm wrong. You know, if you're an attorney over there, tell me if I missed on that. But this is still priceless, the Magna Carta reference.
Okay, can I just...
Now you can.
Okay.
Yeah, in 91.
The camera is on, everything's been recorded, okay?
Yeah,
My
apart from
protection,
there it
your
wasn't.
protection, nobody else's protection.
Yeah.
Okay? I've overheard, and I'm a witness in this case, I've
Yes.
overheard you being asked to leave the courthouse.
Yes, leave,
Okay?
not told.
So therefore,
Asked.
I need
Asked.
to- yes.
Asked. No, I was asked.
You were-
I was asked. They asked
You
me.
were told.
They asked me. I like it. She's smiling over there. She knows the truth. You all know the truth. You all know what Magna Carta is, don't you?
What can we do to get you to leave here now?
I really hate to say this, but he's got a point. He should have been held in contempt and have cuffs on him right now. But the judge just asked him to leave, and now they've got a problem. He's in a public building, and he doesn't need to leave.
By getting me signed on the top of this to say I'm no longer on bail. That's what you can do. Because I'm not on bail.
You've never been on bail.
This is what
You've
this
been-
says here. This is what this says here. I have notice of grant of bail. That case is now
You've been-
finished. That case cannot go on because they ran out the back of the room when I asked them for their oath. Okay? When I asked them for their oath, they pooped themselves and ran off. That's what happened.
There's obviously, they're not happy to continue
Yeah,
the
yeah,
case
because they want to
of
do
your behaviour.
because they want to do
Okay?
treasonous rules.
No.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you're right. It's sedition until I tell them that they're under Article 61, was invoked by the barons.
The magistrates have decided
In 2001, 23rd of March.
with you present because of your behaviour. So therefore, you need to calm down and leave the courthouse. If you have any issues with their decisions, you need to address that.
Well, then you're
But
going
not
to
this-
cause me
now
harm.
isn't the place to do that. Now you've been told to leave the
But
courthouse.
they are going to cause me harm by removing my right to travel.
And there you have it, the right to travel. These guys would literally rather have the court rule that nobody has jurisdiction, kick off chaos and a worldwide Hunger Games so that they don't have to stand in line at the DMV like the rest of us.
Yeah? I have a human right to travel on the highways
Right.
unhindered.
Okay.
And when you take my driving licence off me, I will be hindered
the
by
best
you.
thing-
I will be hindered by you guys continually. That is why I'm not leaving here today until this is
The best thing
resolved.
you need to do
Yeah, that's the point.
is allow the court to decide how they're going to proceed with the matter.
No,
okay?
because that is
And
then giving me
after
jurisdiction
that-
over me. I'm not a fictional
Well,
character.
they
I'm a
have a
human
right.
being.
They
I
have
have
a
a
right.
right. They're called human rights.
Yeah, okay. They have
Yeah,
a right
and you're
to
not allowing
decide-
me my human
Okay.
rights.
I've asked you,
Yeah, no,
politely to leave
I'm
the court.
replying
I'm now
politely.
going to ask you to leave
See,
the
now
court.
you're
and
going
I'm
to
taking-
assault me.
I'm taking hold
So
of
I,
you. to
no,
take
no,
you
no,
out
no,
the
no, no.
court,
This is
okay?
assault. This
No,
is
no,
assault.
You've been asked.
This is assault.
You've been asked to
This
leave
is
the court.
assault. This is
So therefore,
assault.
I'm asking
no,
you
this
to
is
leave the
assault.
court.
And carry on with my case
I
without
do not
me.
want to arrest you for being
No, no, but you're going to carry on with my.
disorderly in a public
I'm
place,
not.
okay?
You're going
so
to.
please leave the court.
But now you're going to carry on with my case without me.
I don't want to have to
No,
arrest
no,
you,
no. I
so
want to be in there
please
so they.
leave the court.
If they carry on with my case without me and you take away my licence today, you will cause harm to me. I will not allow harm to come to myself or my family. This is wrong. This is bloody treason. And this video is going all over Facebook as soon as I get home.
Ooh, and now it's on Law Talk with Mike.
I want this removed. I don't want to be on bail anymore.
Please
You are
leave-
not
please
dealing
leave
with
the
that.
court.
This is assault, officer. Ow!
Please leave the
This
court.
is assault. Don't push me through this radiating thing. I want to go around it.
Don't push me through this radiating thing. This guy is too much. But again, I'm going to blame the judge here or magistrate or whatever you want to call him over there. I'm going to call it a judge. The judge should have held this guy in contempt. And this is why we're having all this negotiation on the way out. And, you know, I don't know. I don't know the law over there, but our system's derived from their system. I'm sure they have contempt or an equivalent analog.
I want to go around it. You're assaulting me. This is hard. Why the fuck are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? You're taking away my right to travel.
Come on, man. In front of your wife and child?
You're taking away my right to travel.
Otherwise, you're going to be arrested for the further offence. Okay?
It's an offence.
No,
It's
please
not
leave
a
the
crime.
court
What
area.
crime have I committed?
Please leave
What
the
crime
court.
have I committed? What crime have I committed?
Well, there you have it. It's not just us. You've got it in the UK. According to the commenters, I had one tell me the same stuff's going on in Holland and also Australia. So it's a worldwide phenomenon of horrible, horrible legal ideas. Here at Law Talk, we do a lot of videos answering common legal questions. We also do reviews of law in the movies and then on TV. We also share some of our more interesting cases. We're always putting out new videos. So if you like that, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell.